Alright guys, I'm just showing off to my family and friends. Here's my new setup of my workbench in my office. I'm pretty proud of it. I have my, no shirt on. Ooh, that's yucky. Okay, so here is my cloning machine. So down there is where you can take one hard drive and then just clone it identical to the other hard drive if you're upgrading or if a hard drive has failed. So it's kind of mouse keyboard. This is just a laptop that I take out into the field for me, and that's just the space that I have set aside for charging it. And if I need to add or remove files, it also has networking and everything in that docking bay. Here's just basic tools for cleaning up a computer. This is one of my work computers that I use for making videos. The main thing that computer does is video editing. That is the video card that I got from JuneQuest a long time ago. And there is, here's my work printer. Here is a whole bunch of old DVDs, like program DVDs and stuff you can't find anymore. Pretty soon they'll be phased out altogether, but I still have them for now. If I want to manually control the work computer, this is how I do it, but normally I just remote into that one. So here is our workstation number one. Keyboard, mouse up here, monitor here. If somebody brings in a computer that's broken, or if I'm building a computer, we've got everything: mouse, keyboard, power, Ethernet, everything hooked up to the monitor. Next one over here, same thing. So monitor, keyboard, mouse, an array of cables. This one has more connectors, so no matter what connector that they need for the monitor, I've got it covered. Then also if I need to work on a laptop, take it apart or work, I also have the powers for that. So I could work on, theoretically, 2 computers at the same time as far as disassembling and reassembling them. Usually I would only take one job like that at a time. But this also leaves me space just to plug in computers headless if I need to and access them remotely. Most of the work that I do now is just over RDP or using remote software. Here's the most commonly used tools that I need. I have many more than that, but those are just the ones I have on hand. And I have this handy dandy little light right here. Came very in handy the other day when I had a bad splinter. So there is my workbench in my office. So hope that makes somebody jealous and wish that they had the life that I have over here.